Having trouble logging into your bread savings account, or maybe you have a question about the high-yield savings rates. Ever find yourself scrolling endlessly for a straightforward phone number or the right email to reach a real person? If you're a bread savings customer or thinking about becoming one, you know that sometimes you need more than an FAQ page. Getting in touch with customer support shouldn't be a maze. Bread Savings, formerly known as Community Direct, is an online-only bank offering competitive interest rates on their savings products. Because they operate entirely online, their customer service channels are focused on efficiency and accessibility, but knowing where to look is key. The primary ways to access Bread Savings customer support are through phone, email, and mail. Let's start with the quickest route, the phone. For general questions, account inquiries, or technical support, the main customer service number is 833-927-2732. This is your go-to line for speaking directly with a representative. Keep in mind that for security purposes, they will likely ask you to verify personal information before discussing account specifics. The typical hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Next up, email. If your query isn't urgent or you need to send documentation, email is the perfect option. The general customer support email address is support@breadsavings.com. When writing your email, be sure to include your name, the last 4 digits of your account number, but never your full account number, and a clear, concise description of your issue. This helps the support team quickly understand and address your request. You can typically expect a response within 1 to 2 business days. Finally, for more formal matters or sending important documents, you can always use mail. The mailing address for Bread Savings is Bread Savings P.O. Box 182780, Columbus, Ohio, 43218. While mail is the slowest option, it's necessary for certain legal or account closure processes. Always include your name, account number, and a clear instruction letter when mailing documents. A quick bonus tip: before reaching out, make sure you check the Help Center or FAQ section on the Bread Savings website. It's robust and can often resolve common issues instantly, saving you a phone call or email wait time. If your issue is with a technical error on the website or mobile app, try clearing your browser's cache or reinstalling the app first. Sometimes that's all it takes. So, whether you're dialing the dedicated support line at 833-927-2732 or drafting an email to support@breadsavings.com, accessing the help you need is just a few clicks or a phone call away. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.